As parents, we all have moments we're not proud of. Snapping about the phone, saying something sharp, slamming a bedroom door. None of that disqualifies you. What matters most is what you do next. Our first step is to pause and cool down. Repair is really hard to do when everyone's still hot and bothered. If you can, step away for a bit. Take some deep breaths, make a cup of tea, hang the washing out. Give your nervous system a chance to settle before you go back in. Then we own our part. That might sound like, hey, I'm sorry I shouted before. I really don't like starting the day like that, and I know it doesn't feel good for you either. No lecture attached, just a clean apology. And we leave the problem solving for later. When things are genuinely calm, then you can talk about what needs to change. So that order, pause, repair, and only then fix the problem, shows your team that conflict can be worked through and that the relationship comes first.